Michael Fiore's Text Your Ex Back system is a sophisticated, step-by-step, easy-to-use method of getting your ex back or even your ex-wife or ex-husband. Mike coaches you each step of the way via video and PDF ebook, and reveals not only some amazing psychological tricks to get your ex responding to you and seeing you in a new way, but also helps you to figure out exactly what went wrong with your relationship, how you can address it with your partner and fix it, so that when you do get back together you can stay together. Click the link in the description below this video for details. It's not just a series of well-crafted texts to get your ex to talk to you, although that certainly is a part of it. Instead, it's a full course that enables you to 1. Get your own self-confidence back on track. Depressed and powerless is not attractive, and no good for your self-esteem. 2. Effectively analyze why you broke up or divorced and what went wrong. 3. Discover or remember all the great things about your past relationship, times, memories, events, etc., needed for the texts. 4. Change the power dynamic between you and your ex to make them receptive to hearing from you, important if you were dumped. 5. Create amazing texts that are laid out for you to customize based on your own personality and relationship. 6. Get back with your ex and create a new, stronger and better relationship than you had before. Basically, whatever response or mood your ex is in when you send that first text, Fiore has a set of specific texts for you that you customize in the way he shows you, with plenty of examples. So whether she or he is sad, angry, happy or indifferent, you will be shown the series of texts to send and when, so that you can get them to a place where they are willing to talk to you and further on, to get back with you. Do you really want your ex back? I'm assuming that you have thought about it and are ready to see if you can win your ex back. You may be asking the questions: can everyone get their ex back using this system? Can I really win my ex back this way? Click the link in the description below this video for details.